Today we finally tackled the rotten wall in the bathroom reno. First job, clearing all the rubble into this massive blue skip.
Let's go.
The bottom plate and studs were clearly rotten. But were they holding up the house? Our builder mate explained that the beams above were just nailers for the ceiling. This wall isn't load bearing. Good news, no consent needed. Time to repair it ourselves. Out came the multi-tool, sawzall, skill saw, and a fair bit of brute force. Podrick carried out inspection number 1 and gave me the go-ahead. Along the way, I managed to drop my favourite marker pen through the floorboards. The worst stud was full of borer holes. The others were fine. Inspection number 2. Aya dropped in to check progress. With the bottom plate removed, I was relieved to find that the floorboards underneath were sound. I ripped new H 3.2 treated kiln-dried timber down to match the old studs at 100mm wide, treating every cut edge with frame saver to keep the bugs away. Even the grey chicken had an eye on things outside. Added a temporary bottom plate and stud supports, just in case the house decided to try to fall down while I was waiting for the frame saver to dry. Then installed a doubled up, treated bottom plate fixed into the joists through the floorboards with 100mm gal screws. New full-length sister studs went in. Screwed top and bottom. This time, plumb. Top tip, take the plastic ends off your long level and it might just fit in your wall. I reused the old noggins, just had to cut them down a little bit, and now this wall is stronger than ever. Next up, flattening the rest of these walls and moving this reno forward. Slowly but surely, the bathroom is taking shape. In the next exciting episode, sorry Scott Brown, I'll be back in the workshop again, I think. Cheers guys. Oh, Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, if you liked, like and then subscribe as well. Cheers, guys. Ciao.